Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be talking about resetting signatures within a session. Now, there are a couple of common reasons why you might need to reset a signature during a session. First, there's just simple human error. A signer may rush, use the wrong style, or realize they don't like the signature that they applied. Resetting signatures allows them to correct it without restarting the session. Second, when someone is signing as an attorney in fact, they often need to sign more than once. First in their own name, and then again on behalf of the principal that they are signing for. So resetting the signature allows that distinction to be done correctly. Now let's see exactly what this looks like inside of a session. So here we are inside of a session, and we're going to have our signer sign their name where we've designated. So let's switch over to a incognito window where I am pretending to be the signer. So here in this window, I am Alex Monroe, and I want to sign where the notary has assigned me to. Now, when we click here, this comes up. We can choose to draw, type, or upload a signature. So let's draw a signature. And we want to click this box and accept as a signer. And our signature appears here. Now, let's say our notary needs to add another signature box for us. So I'm going to go back to the screen where I am the notary. And let's say I need to add another signature box for Alex. So I can drag this here, add another signature for Alex. But when Alex goes to sign, does Alex get to change the signature that they've had if I don't reset the signatures? Let's see. So if I'm Alex and I'm going to sign this box that my notary assigned me, my same signature pops up. But I don't like the signature, or maybe I'm signing as an attorney in fact. What can I do as a notary to help my signer out? So let's go back to where we are as a notary. We're going to delete this signature, and we're going to go to our menu. And we're going to go down to Reset Signature Consent. And we're going to select Reset for all users, or we can do for just Alex. And so I'm going to reset the signature. So now when I create another signature box for Alex, and I go over to Alex, now I'm Alex and I'm going to sign this box, it gives me the option to put another signature in, and I can draw, type, or upload another signature if I need to. So this is a great way to create options for our signers in case they don't like their signature or they're signing on behalf of someone else. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back to our channel for some more remote online notary tips.